This is the DeWalt wet dry vacuum. Get the bigger battery if you can. This is the 60-volt FlexVolt. I've done pallet stove here, which I want to do today. Let me see how much battery is left here. Still has 2 notches left. And instead of carrying around multiple batteries, just have one. Okay, so a lot of things to love about this. The way that everything's tucked away, the way the wires, you have your one of the pipes just tucked away in here. As you can see here, this is your in and this is your out. So if you don't have a blower handy and you want to, blow some dust around, you can always attach this or the hose and attach it here and act as your blower. The hose is quite long and it will extend quite far. For this job, I'm simply going to use this hose attachment. It's ready to go. Power on the switch right here. 'To open, you simply unbuckle this so you can see this is all the stuff that was in the pellet stove. And there's a filter, so the filter did a really good job. If you have DeWalt batteries already and you're already in the DeWalt family, definitely get this. It's very much worth it for car cleaning, for just doing small chores around the house where you don't want to do it with cords. Highly recommend it. Get it.